Here's how to check blocked numbers on iPhone. So in this tutorial, I'm going to exactly show you how you can check blocked numbers on your iPhone device. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So it's very simple to check blocked numbers. Just go ahead and open up your settings. Once you're inside settings, just scroll down to the bottom until you find the option of apps. Just make sure to know that this is on iOS 18. So if you're below iOS 18, the each app will be in separate ways. You can just find the app in your search bar, but you just gotta go to apps, and right over here you just gotta find the app phone. So scroll down a bit until you see or find the app. So let me just see, and here we are, and just go ahead and open a phone, and right over here you just gotta scroll down until you see the option of blocked contacts. So right over here you just gotta go ahead and press, and you will see all the blocked contacts and you can check them out. I haven't blocked anyone, but if you have blocked any contact, it will show you right over here, and you can always add newer blocked as well. And yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can check block numbers on iPhone. So I hope this video actually helped you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.